Hello, my name is Christopher. I am from the UK but currently living in Hong Kong. Wherever you are in the world, let me record for you in BBC English. Today I'm going to talk about Hummingbird, a poem by D.H. Lawrence, and this is in the syllabus for the 69th Hong Kong Speech Festival 2017. I will do a demonstration with two versions of part of the poem. The first one will be for perfect pronunciation and enunciation, so that you can copy how I speak and also learn how to speak in a really good English accent. That is really important. Remember that if you are speaking in an English speaking competition, it is exactly that, English speaking. So if you have a good accent, this is going to sound far better. The second version will be with intonation, so that you can learn how to say your poem or other piece in a really interesting way. First, I will give you an example of how I will record the whole poem just for pronunciation and enunciation. Hummingbird by D.H. Lawrence. I can imagine in some other world. Primeval dumb, primeval dumb, far back in that most awful stillness, that only gasped, and hummed. I will do the whole poem like that for you, plus a second version with intonation to make the poem interesting. Hummingbird by D.H. Lawrence. I can imagine in some other world, primeval dumb, far back, in that most awful stillness. So I can do the whole poem with intonation like that. Here you can read something about me. You can listen to my accent, and you know I speak BBC English. I was a lawyer for many years. I am a former school governor and university lecturer. I have been teaching public speaking and presentation skills for over 30 years. If you would like my services, just look at the bottom of this text and you will see my email address, hongkongspeechfestival@gmail.com. And please have a look at my website, details of which you can see. And I wish you the very best of luck in the competition, and I hope that you do well. Goodbye.